Happy Vlogmas day 16th. Right now I was editing a video for you guys, and I think I'm still wearing the same shirt from yesterday Vlogmas. Let me show you. I was just editing this video. I was literally just editing that video, and so yeah, I'm very excited for you guys to see this video. And this is my proudest thumbnail ever, also. So I really like this thumbnail, that one. So let me actually show you guys, and because that's what I do with my thumbnails. And all my videos I did, this is one of them. I like this one. This is one of my favorites. I think, yeah, I would say this is one of my favorites. And we do destruction. I do like Happy Vlogmas Day 15, your day at home. So cozy and relaxing in today's Vlogmas. We're keeping it super chill and cozy at home. No rush, no plans, just relaxing, watching movies, and enjoying a much needed slow day. Sometimes these quiet moments are exactly what we need. And yeah, if you guys go through my destruction and stuff like that, and watch my destruction, I have a new subscriber. So I have a new subscriber of one new subscriber stuff. So this is like a 4-minute video. Literally a 4-minute video. I have this private. I might delete that actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean the kitchen. I was gonna do a TikTok video of it, but I'm not sure if I want to do a TikTok video because that's more editing into it. I'm already filming this video, so I don't know what to start first though. I think I'm gonna start this side over here. I'm gonna start over here and go how we going. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the kitchen. I'm not touching the dishes. I usually don't do the dishes because I don't usually do the dishes. I'm gonna vacuum my room. My editor's coming today at 10:15 in the morning, so I'm gonna go get my vacuum and vacuum the room. Actually, I'm gonna have to clean half of the room first. Okay, so I'm just editing this video, obviously. I hope you guys are enjoying this video as I am enjoying it when I was editing. Like, I'm literally enjoying it. I don't even know why. I'm gonna watch this video that I made from yesterday. So, I'm gonna see how this video went. It was not a bad video. I actually did like that video. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for him. Because it's like 10 o'clock and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. I'm gonna actually take this off. Not take it off. I'm gonna count. You know what? It is Monday. Let's do this today's window. I need to bring a chair out here because I'm gonna be teaching in here today. I'm gonna bring it out. Give me a huge hot minute. I don't know what else to do. Last minute things that I said I might have to change a little bit. I might change. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it like these. This is gonna be a Monday with no jeans today. So I will see you guys when my editor is still. So yeah. Okay, my editor is here. I am just going to be on TikTok for a minute because looking at TikTok and seeing what's been new. I have not been on TikTok in a while. Just gonna hang this up over here in my closet and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. Yeah. What is up? So I'm almost done cleaning my room. I'm just gonna probably waddle outside, and that's probably it. And I could probably finish this vlog. Maybe, I don't know yet. I have not decided if I want to end this vlog or not. But I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Looks like I'm gonna probably end this video. This is really actually I really enjoyed this video. Was editing. I really do love this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this in the future for 2026, or like stay on home vlogs if you guys want me to do one of those. And I can do one of those anytime you guys want me to. And also, I created a new intro today. It is so bomb. I'm gonna give you guys another sneak peek of that intro, but otherwise, and enjoy the rest of the Vlogmas. I will see you guys for Vlogmas days something tomorrow. I think day 16th. We're almost there. But I will see you guys later on.